Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the fifth match in round one, the first in tonight's double header. Scores in the match: DeCarteret College on 4 points, Wolmer's girls on 3. Those were the scores at the end of the previous segment, right? So just so you know. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's girls, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who is said to have written the book of Lamentations?
Jeremiah.
Correct. The hemispheres in the human brain are connected by a thick bundle of nerve fibers. What are they called?
Pass.
Corpus callosum. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of noble.
Ennoble.
Correct. How many countries have veto power as members of the UN
5.
Security Council?
5.
Correct. Which country features a shipwreck on its national flag?
Angola.
Bermuda. In which Jamaican parish is the Grove Hill House?
Westmoreland.
St. James. Which U.S. country singer recorded the classic single You're Still the One?
Taylor Swift.
Shania Twain. What is the name for a substance formed from the combination of 2 or more metals?
Alloy.
That's right. What is the next prime number after 23?
29.
Good. Which actor played Private First Class James Ryan in the film Saving Private Ryan? Matt Damon. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And which other Caribbean country gained independence in 1979?
St. Kitts.
St. Lucia. Which country did Switzerland defeat 1-0 in their first match in the 2020 FIFA World Cup? Sorry?
Qatar.
Cameroon. Cameroon was the answer there. Well done, Wolmer's girls, for your first minute. DeCarteret College, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, who is said to have written Psalm 23?
Job.
David. What part of the human brain is the main link between the endocrine and nervous systems?
Hypothalamus.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of palatable.
Unpalatable.
That's right. In which city is the United Nations headquartered?
New York City.
That's right. Which country features a parrot on its national flag?
Grenada.
Dominica. In which Jamaican parish is the Persian water wheel?
St. Mary.
Trelawney. Which U.S. country singer recorded the classic song Jesus Take the Wheel?
Carrie Underwood.
That's right. What is the major metal in the alloy pewter?
Tin.
That's right. What is the next prime number after 43?
47.
Good. Which film won the Oscar for Best Picture at the 2022 Academy Awards?
That is Babylon.
Coda. Belize. And which other Caribbean country gained independence in 1981?
St. Kitts and Nevis.
Antigua and Barbuda. Which team did Uruguay play in their first match in the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar?
Qatar.
South Korea. When calculating electric current in a wire, what does Q represent?
Power.
Charge. What is the English translation of Estoy muy feliz?
I'm very happy.
That's right. Who is the author of the novel Jane and Louisa Will Soon Come Home?
Michael Anthony.
No, that was Erna Brodba. But well done, ladies of DeCarteret College, for your first minute. Coming back over to you now, Wolmer's girls, for your second